Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nong yalam bahakli edo jong ka Special Investigation Team SIT kebelatung bentokit halor gajing syak penyap urajar guvanshi uba Herbert penyat Kharkongor ulaong bagajing tip kipulit bagadon ke pistol haka Phla belai ke sunam haka flat ha indoor kadini gajing yathu uraj kushwaha baru Akash Rajput habakran shakila pathai khubor ulaong banagalang kipulit kinang tokit dikilai ngut kibala syakem haka bede bagajing penduk pendam yaki sakhi bat ka laptop ke badang ja hadu menta laki labret ni kila buri. Ulaong baka sunam kadan lai tali ki mobile phone, bat na kini kidan bala penjot no badan baki pulit ki empat yo. Ulaong bana kalang ki pulit kidan ni ki sakhi satar ki batikna halor ke jingdon kti jongki ban penyap uraja. Uliyat huru baka yiem bishar kala aipor hendusngi ki pulit ban toket di ki laingut kata ya Ushilom James ubalwinder bat ulok kendra sing tomar.
Analyze and accordingly we'll be able to come to preliminary interrogation statements. And you found there was the weapon that was seized yesterday, that gun, and along with the ammunition, and then that 50,000 which we had retrieved from the vehicle. So these are the things that we had recovered. But in fact, right now we are going to, since we've got police custody, we are going to interrogate more on the materials that were actually being disclosed by the previous accused.
So the weapon
the weapon
that you have recovered yesterday, was it also part of this evidence into this case?
Yes, because what we've learned is from the statement of of Raj as well as Akash. They had disclosed that there was a weapon in the bag. So accordingly, we were able to get that. And then,
so how many phones Sonam was having?
You said that she was having 3.
And all the 3s have been recovered?
It has already been destroyed also. Yeah, but another phone we have not been able to recover. See, the first thing is, like we said, there was the intention first was in fact it was greed also, we can say, and as well as what they've done in the process is of course the destruction of very vital evidences. And in fact right now we are going to investigate, interrogate them, and then find out whether if we are able to get some more light into it, whether, because these materials like laptop and all, they said that they have been thrown, but we will interrogate them and find out where exactly they're thrown, or whether it's still being kept somewhere. We'll find out. But like I've said, material evidence are very important. Yeah, and it is their right also not to make a confession statement. I mean, not all has been sent except for 2 accused.
Who are those 2?
Akash and Anna. Yeah, only those 2. But then there were 2, so it's not an issue. We still have evidence. Our team, the SIT team that had gone to Indore, Madhya Pradesh, they've met the relatives, but such kind of things we do not have any angles which points to that. Sent everyone, 2 of them, but they didn't want to make a statement before the magistrate. It's just the discretion that is their prerogative. The court has due process note also that they were not willing.
So how strong is this case now?
Yes, we have ample evidence. Yeah, we have ample evidence. Right from the beginning and even till now also, whatever material we have, these are good evidence that we have. But we'll wait for the FSL reports, and also these will add strength to it.
Or is it more than that? A bigger conspiracy?
A motive. See, like it's been brief already that there is a motive of love angle out there also, but at the same time, there are the other materials also that we are exploring, and then once we find, then we'll accordingly put up. Because see, the bag was burned there, and then yesterday we have not got the phone apart from these materials that were recovered yesterday. But then see, we have sent for FSL those materials, and accordingly once the report comes, we will see what are the compounds that were present in that.
But does it look like phone or?
No, that see will forensic report will be able to tell.
But phone is missing.
Yeah, it was claimed by assailants also before that it was there in the bag. So Yeah.
So
we
did
are able to
they
establish.
have the plan to gun down Raja, or to use that as a murder weapon also?
Right now, that has not been actually revealed, but then that aspect we will be examining.